guys, it's Jessie here. I'm back with another video. I'm going to do a quick grocery haul. We did not buy a lot. Just stocked up on a few things that we needed. It was like 60 bucks total. I'll put the totals on the screen, but I'm going to go through things real quick. It's actually about 8 o'clock at night on Tuesday. We went in the evening to shop instead of in the morning like I usually do. I made my husband drive because the roads are icy and I'm not that confident on icy roads. So yeah, I got to get this stuff put away so we can finish up our evening routines. From Aldi, I picked up some onions, some bananas, some carrots, and some celery. I picked up some egg noodles. I think you can probably guess I'm going to make a soup this week. 3 loaves of white bread, lots of sandwiches this week for lunches. My kiddos are going to be home for lunch instead of getting school lunch, so there's that. A couple of things of hot dog buns and some chicken ramen. Got a box of stuffing mix. We already had a box in the cabinet, so we're going to do stuffing as a side dish one night this week. We were just about out of salt, so I picked up a couple of things of salt, some unsalted butter, a couple of things of mushrooms. I also got some of the spreadable butter for like toast and stuff. I picked up some Macintosh apples. Picked up these and my husband proceeded to eat some in the car. We were starving because we didn't eat dinner before we left, so picked up those little onion ring things. Picked up the shredded wheat there and some Frosted Flakes for cereal. That other box of shredded wheat came from Walmart. That was it from Aldi, it looks like. Nope. Also, the russet potatoes came from Aldi and the milk. Okay, moving on to Walmart. We got a few cookies. Couldn't decide what we wanted, so we just bought them all. Picked up some oven roasted turkey breast and some Black Forest ham for sandwiches. Picked up a thing of quick oatmeal, so we were just about out of that. Got my husband some powdered coffee creamer to supplement the liquid he already has, because you guys know he goes through coffee creamer like it's going out of style. Picked up some barbecue chips, some salt and vinegar chips, and some of these ultra thin pretzels that my husband likes so much. And then lastly is that box of shredded wheat that I told you guys came from Walmart. These are the little squares, these are the big squares. Apparently, according to my husband, there's a difference. So, he likes one more than the other. Anyways, that is it for my grocery haul this week. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We didn't need a lot, so super quick stock up trip. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!